Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 1st of March, 2023. We're going to talk about AMC, drop a price prediction after the earnings. You guys can see that they did release earnings yesterday afternoon. They beat the estimates. You guys can see that they reported 14 cents negative. The estimate was 20 cents negative, which is a surprise, around 0.06 cents. They also reported a little bit more revenue than what the street was actually estimated they were going to get, of around $48.1 million. Right? A surprise of around 5%. So you would think that the market would take that as positive information, but let's look at this on a smaller basis. So you guys can see in after hours, right? When the market and AMC released earnings, that the market actually didn't take it quite well. Price in AMC actually went down. Make you wonder, right? Because this whole time that price in AMC was running up to earnings release, that is where the market was already anticipating this information. We already seen price in AMC go from, at least from when I did the price prediction here on the 20th of February, the market already ran up 48% here from when the market opened on yesterday. Now the high of yesterday, that's 62.25% market ran since the 20th of February. So for us to get the information, and even though it was great information in terms of its earnings, the market has already built that in. That's why it's very important for everyone to understand that you need to get ahead of your competition in order to be profitable. Hence, that's why we anticipated price was going to go up in AMC already. So congratulations to those who also saw that move. We actually got 21.5% there. If we were to get on the close of yesterday, you guys can see it's around 36. Okay. So now let's talk. Let's see what price is going to do next in AMC. First thing we're going to do is we're going to lift our resistance area up here towards the highs of the last 2 days in AMC, because this is where buyers ran across some issues with the sellers. They couldn't win. So we saw an increase in volume the last 2 days into the market in AMC. So I do suspect we have some lower prices to contend with initially. We need to see how low the market's going to go before the buyers step in again to see whether or not they find those prices attractive. Okay, so there's a couple of areas right now. The first area that we can actually see market buyers enter the market in AMC is going to be right around here. That's one area. Second area is going to be here. Okay. And then my third area is going to be down here in AMC. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of these lower lines there because I really want us to focus on where the buyers are going to be located. Now, if they don't come in on any of these three lines, then guess what? Yeah, get ready for price to go a lot lower than that. It's just that simple. Let's look at the market in AMC. So check this out. We have about 9 hours and 5 minutes left on this current 2-day price bar, right? And seeing how the market closed yesterday, we may see the market go and close on the low on this current 2-day price bar. If that's the case, then I'm not going to look for the market to hold $7. I'm not. In the next 7 hours, 9 hours. Here it is on the current 3-day price bar. You guys can see with this massive influx of volume and how price closed off the highs, that definitely is resembling sellers. Okay, here it is on the 5-day. Again, 9 hours and 5 minutes left. Depending on how we close on this current 5-day price bar, will definitely let us know how the market's going to go, how low it's going to go. Okay, so I'm not going to waste your time. Idea is that price in AMC is going to continue to go lower following its earnings. We got 3 areas already that we're going to target, but if we don't see market ultimately hold 6, that's going to be detrimental to the overall market for AMC in terms of price continuing to go lower. All right, so let me go ahead and put this on the chart. Okay, so like I said, we're going to play some weakness. Now, like I said, I'm not going to be massively bearish, but we already know that 840 is going to be resistance. Our first target is literally right now. So like I said, in the next 9 hours, if we don't see, if we do see price close on the low, I'm not looking for the market to hold 7. So that's our first target though. 1.96%, $7. My second one is going to be around 650. That's around 8.96%. $6.50. And then my third one is down here around $6. That's around 16% move. 15.97, $6 there. Okay, that is it. Those are my three targets that I'm looking for the market and AMC to go since earnings has been released. The sooner that we find buyers, the better. The longer it takes, the more price is going to go lower. Just saying. So everyone, give me your thoughts. Welcome to the team. Those who are new, hit that like button, and also subscribe to the channel. You're not going to get any hype, any FUD, any fear, any FOMO. I'm not going to push any of the narratives that the apes are trying to push in regarding short squeezes and dark pools and synthetic shares. I get it. We understand that this market that we're participating in is not geared in our favor. You need to go with that mentality every time you come and play in the markets. Nobody's going to give you a handout. If you want to have an edge into the market, it's up to you to determine what that edge is, not the markets. Join me. Hit that like button, and also subscribe. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.